Our planet is warming up, and that means most of the glaciers around the world are beginning to melt, raising sea levels and changing our ocean's chemistry, which could spell disaster for humanity. Which is why at the Presena Glacier in northern Italy, experts are trying to protect it with these massive coverings meant to keep the glacier from melting as quickly. The giant reflective layer spans nearly 1.3 million square feet, which the experts say could help prevent as much as 70% of the snow from melting underneath during the summer. Researchers have been tracking the mass of the glacier for decades, finding a constant downward trend in its total size, which is why they now employ these annual and laborious measures, all in the hopes they can save the glacier. Christian Casarotto, a glaciologist at Trento Science Museum, had this to say about the situation, quote, "Glaciers and their retreat are perhaps the most striking manifestation of ongoing global warming. It is therefore important to follow their course in order to understand where we are going, i.e. our behavior, our political decisions. Everything put together must succeed in creating an awareness of what is happening."